Right, okay, this is just something to think about. Use the discriminant to determine the number and type of solutions of the equation. Now the discriminant is just the b squared minus 4ac. It's the thing inside the square root. In other words, if you square root, let's have a look at this. If I square root 25, I get plus and minus 5. That's two real answers, okay? If I square root 0, I'll just get one answer. It's 0. That's all I can do for that one, okay? If I square root a negative 25, I'll get two complex answers, all right? So non-real answers. So you're either going to get a couple of real answers or just one real answer. That's only when you've got the square root of 0 inside, okay? Supposing b squared was 64 and minus 4ac was 64. 64 take away 64 would be 0. You should have one answer, but it's real. And then again, if something is negative inside the square root, the discriminant is negative, you're going to get two complex answers, okay, some non-real answers. Right, so that's all that means, so let's have a look. Let's erase this. Okay, so all I need to do is, what's b squared minus 4ac? b squared is 49, all right? That's negative 7 squared. What's 4 times 1 times negative 8? 4 times 1 times negative 8, that's negative 32, okay? But remember, it's minus 4ac, so it's minus, okay? So remember, b squared minus, here is your 4ac bit, which is negative 32. Now that I can see, it doesn't matter what it is, it's going to be a positive answer, okay? I'll get two real solutions for question 8. That's why it says, use the discriminant, determine the number and type, two real answers. That's what question 8 is, two real solutions. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Okay, so this is a good one. Right, here we go, here's your b. b squared is 100. Right, what's 4 times 1 times 25, okay, minus 4 times 1 times 25, that's also 100. Here's the one that's going to have a 0 inside the square root. Now, that doesn't mean there's no answers, because look at the whole thing. This is, right, what's negative b? Right, negative 10 is 10. It will be plus or minus the square root of 0 all over 2. Now the square root of 0 is 0, so 10 plus or minus 0 is still 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and that's the only answer. Okay, there's no plus or minus in that one. It's just 0. Okay. Remember, the answer's not 0. You've still got all the rest of the quadratic equation formula to apply, but all it's asking for is can you see what's inside the square root? If it's a positive whole number, you're going to get two real answers. If it's a 0, you get one answer. All right, and for that one, it would be 5. Okay. Right, what's this last one? Okay, so negative, again, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to solve the quadratic equation formula. It just wants what's b squared minus 4ac. In other words, the discriminant. Okay, so b squared is 9. I mean, I can write it inside the square root if I want to, but you don't really have to. What's 4 times 1 times 7? And it's negative, right, that's 28. Now, I can see, I don't have to finish anything else off there. Negative, ooh, what a horrible 8. Right, 9 take away 28. Doesn't matter what it is, it's negative. All right, you're going to get two complex answers, two non-real answers, okay? Again, because you've still got the plus and the minus. It doesn't count for 0. Plus and minus is still 0. All right? So that's it. So those are the three possible answers. Question 8, two real answers. Question 9, one real answer, because it had 0 inside. That's the unique one. And question 10, two complex or non-real answers. Okay?